Hello there, random smart person on the internet. I have amazing space news. This could be the coolest astronomical event of all of 2023. On February 1st and 2nd, we might finally be able to see a comet with our naked eyes for the first time in decades. This comet is known as C2022 E3 ZTF, and it is passing through the inner solar system. You may be wondering why astronomers have such a weird naming convention for this comet, but it actually makes sense once you understand it. The name of this comet encodes data about where and when it was first seen. The letter C means the comet is not periodic, which means it will either only pass through the solar system once or take more than 200 years to orbit the sun. 2022 E3 means the comet was spotted at the beginning of March 2022. Which correlates to the letter E according to the comet's naming convention approved by the International Astronomical Union, which means it was discovered between March 1st and March 15th, and it was the third such object discovered in the same period. ZTF means the discovery was made from the telescopes of the Zwinsky Transient Facility. I'll leave a link in the description below of the IAU's naming convention. Astronomers are able to model the path, and if it continues to brighten at the same rate it currently is, it will be visible to our naked eyes as a bluish-greenish streak in our night sky. Using orbital mechanics, astronomers are able to map out the orbit this comet has traveled, and it is determined that it has not been this close to Earth for 50,000 years. That means that this comet was viewed by Neanderthals when they walked the Earth before they went extinct 40,000 years ago. The easiest way to locate this comet is with the stargazing app, such as Sky Safari Plus or Skywalk 2. If you're using an app to find it, you only have to type in C2022 E3 and not the ZTF portion. If you're in the Northern Hemisphere and own a small telescope, you can see this comet right now. It glows in the constellation Corona Borealis, between the bright stars Vega and Arcturus. The comet becomes visible soon after midnight and climbs the highest in the sky just before dawn. Southern Hemisphere observers will be able to see this comet only in the early mornings. By mid-January, the comet will move to Bootes, then visit Draco and Ursa Minor for a couple of days before it reaches its brightest on February 1st in the constellation Camelopardalis. It will be close to the North Star Polaris, about a third of the way on a journey between Polaris and the star Dubhe, the top star of the Big Dipper's bowl. By that time, it will reappear in the southern skies and will be visible all around the globe through binoculars and hopefully even with your naked eye. On February 12th, the comet will get very close to Mars. Both objects will be located in the constellation Taurus. A few days later, on February 15th, the comet will pass near the bright star Aldebaran and the Hades star cluster. The less light polluted an area is, the easier it will be to see. If you live in a light polluted area, it may be impossible to see this comet with your naked eye. Even if you're in a mildly light polluted area, it may prove difficult. To determine the location that will give you the best chance of seeing the comet, you can use a website like lightpollutionmap.info. This website will show you how much light pollution is in your area and where the darker skies are located. Avoid large populated cities, and if you can, travel into a mountainous region for your best chance to see this comet. Areas that are gray and blue are the best places to try to see this comet. To give you an even better chance to see the comet, contact your nearest astronomical society. These are groups of space-loving individuals who have telescopes and host events where they will bring out their telescopes for the public and use them to help spot this comet for you. Go to skyandtelescope.org/astronomy clubs organizations and input either the state you live in if you live in the United States, or you can locate by country if you live outside of the US. This will give you a list of astronomy clubs and societies in your area along with their contact info. Again, I will leave these links to this website in the description below. So there you have it. You learned about the must-see astronomical event of 2023. Leave a comment down below if you're able to see this beautiful event. Comments are good for the YouTube algorithm. If you would like to learn more about the brightest event ever captured in the universe, click on this video here. And always remember, have fun with STEM.